59. A triangle has one side that measures 4 centimetres in length. The angle opposite that side is 80 degrees. What can be concluded about the triangle? If we know that the triangle has one side which measures 4 centimetres, but we're not told the measurements of the other 2 sides, and we know it has one angle which is 80 degrees, but we're not told the other 2 angles, then we can conclude this triangle could be scalene, or right-angled, or isosceles. It's entirely possible that the triangle could be one of those 3 types. We cannot say that the triangle must be isosceles, as we only know about one of the angles and one of the sides. We cannot say that the triangle must be right-angled or scalene for the same reason. The triangle certainly is possible, but we don't know what kind it is. We cannot narrow it down even to scalene or isosceles. The triangle could be scalene, right-angled or isosceles, making option A the right answer here.